Hi there, a very good morning, good afternoon to all of you, depending on wherever you're watching me. This simply talks with another video, and this time this video corresponds to a small cap company which is in the consumer domain but in a very interesting space. So we'll discuss about that. Let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. I'm not a member of the NEC and BSC, and that I am not an official portfolio advisor. These all will be my personal opinion, and any buying or selling decision that you take based on my analysis, kindly do consult your financial advisor. And any investment into the market is laden with market risk. Before I talk about this company, a small request: kindly support me on Patreon. Once you do that, help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions, seek out answers in greater detail. You'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, we keep updating from time to time, analysis on companies, analysis on global and local market, domestic economy, etc. So you'll have all that there. We have a number of podcasts that keep on going there on updates on the market. Now, to understand about this company, let me take you to the screen of website. The company in question is Excel Industries, and the same video, and I'll put the link to it. A video on the same company, Excel Industries, I put up a few months back, probably a year and a half back, and it has gone up from there on in. It was around 400 crore market cap company. Now it's 1100 crore and is doing extremely well, trading at 35, 36 times earnings at around 680, so it is engaged in the business of manufacturing of food processing plant and machinery. So basically they manufacture food processing machinery. So uh, when you talk about HUL, when you talk about say Lay's and Pepsi and other kinds of, you can say, brands which makes all these products, they require machinery for that, making chips, making biscuits, etc. And Axtel provides them with the said foray and the know-how, the machinery to produce those. So it is a specialist engineering process systems for the food industry. It is recognized for expertise in trunky systems. You have product development and customer service. Company's advanced manufacturing facilities located in Vadodara and Halol Highway, etc. So Wenger USA, the company has a long-term association with Wenger INC USA for food feed extrusion systems, and Anotech GmbH Switzerland powder handling system, which makes powder. You have food powders, you have baby food powders that are being prepared. So the machinery that is used in most of the cases is from Axtel. The products the company cater to chocolates and confectionery industry, management system, size reduction system, sieving system, mixing system, spices processing, customized processing solutions, and steam sterilization, etc. So a lot of, you can say, businesses that they are into. Everest, we have Bikahi, Britannia, you have 2M, Hold Frames, Amul, Adani, Wilmar, and there are other, you can say, clients that they cater to. So it's a very interesting developing kind of a business or company that we are looking at. Pure consumer play that we are looking at. A market cap of 1100 crores. Has run up a bit, so probably not this time that you just go ahead and somebody would like to get in here, but valuations are stretched a bit. But company overall from a 3 to 5 year perspective look extremely good. Let's just have a look at the numbers. On the quarterly basis in September, they did exceptionally well. From 42 crores of sales in September 22, they have done 69 crores, and the profit has come out to be 17 crores versus 6 crores. So margins have expanded beautifully to 24%. this time around. The bottom line has also grown. So 12 crores of you can say profit in this quarter versus 5 crores of profit last year. So it has grown more than doubled in terms of profitability as well. So that's how the numbers are. Numbers are pretty good. This year's EPS could be extremely high with respect to the last two quarters numbers being pretty strong. They've already clocked an EPS of around 10 and a half, 11 rupees at this point of time, 10.6, 10.7 rupees, whereas in FY23 they did around 10.7. So they've already done what they did for the year last time around, and that's why this is looking pretty good in terms of balance sheet. Again, no debt on the books. And in terms of shareholding pattern, here's a concern that no FII DII is in the stock, and public shareholding is around 50%, and 50% is with the promoter. If we look at public shareholding, then there are people in there. So around, you would say, around 16% public shareholding is with large, you can say, HNI holders or large investors, but 34% is with the public. So that's how this company looks like. Overall, looks pretty good the way the numbers are panning out. The chart is also looking very beautiful. Although it has fallen, the stock has fallen after going up substantially in the last 3 months or so, last 1.5 months, like the market has done. But the stock has fallen from around 800, 820 already to these levels. So 850 was the high, 680 is the current level. I won't say that these are levels to buy. I'm not giving any recommendation in here, but the business per se looks like growing. And if the consumer demand keeps on growing in the food industry, this is a stock to really look at from a period of 3 to 5 years. So this was my video on external industries. Please like and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon so you can get my video straight away when I post it. And kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.